Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, students are both worried and enthusiastic about their college education. They are confused about which college they should join or how much marks can lead them to a good college. So in this video, I will discuss about some famous colleges across West Bengal with their facilities, eligibility criteria, scholarships, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions just for you. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as an advocate, engineer, raw agent, pharmacist, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos just like this. So today's discussion will be about Indian Institute of Legal Studies in Darjeeling. Indian Institute of Legal Studies is best law college in Siliguri, West Bengal, India. The institute strongly believes you have taken the right step in the right direction, opting an education in law which would unfold the hidden talent in you and develop you firstly as a responsible, honest, dedicated and worthy citizen of our great country. The institute is a mammoth structure in each floor having been designed by the best engineers and architects of Siliguri. The majestic library is located in the institute campus along with a faculty cum management conference room. The faculty members of IILS have educational qualification for leading international and national universities who have been awarded prestigious awards. The institute has computers and internet facility and these are used for official and study purposes only. The institute has well-equipped computer lab with separate server and networking for the students within the premises of the library. The institute having a well-equipped air-conditioned computer lab facility having state-of-the-art facilities including Wi-Fi zone, computers, internet connections, e-journals for students has been made available. The Indian Institute of Legal Studies or the IILS was established in the year 2009 and it is affiliated to the University of North Bengal. This college is a private co-ed college which is approved by the BCI. So now let's go through these colleges' facilities. This institute is providing hostel facility to the male and female students. The boys hostel has around 60 seats capacity in total and the girls hostel has around 40 seats capacity in total. Food and lodging is arranged at affordable cost in the hostel. In the month of June or July, generally the admission in the law hostels will be made. The food being served at the hostel is prepared from products locally procured in a hygienic, sanitized, clean and modern kitchen. Special care is taken to see that the food prepared is not excess in oil, fat, etc., but rather the food consumed by inmates shall contribute towards the general mental and physical well-being of the inmates. On-call medical facility is available at the hostels on payment. There are separate hostels for male and female students with each being supervised by male and female wardens respectively. The Indian Institute of Legal Studies Central Library occupies a central location overlooking a spectacular view of the campus and the entire mountain terrain of the Himalayas and of course the lush green tea gardens. The reading room is spread over 4,000 square feet of the floor space, providing about 150 seats. Internet access is available in the library and the campus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing the students and faculties to access the net and online databases subscribed to by the Indian Institute of Legal Studies from the laptops of the faculty. A separate zone has been earmarked in the library for the faculty. In addition to the Central Library, the Indian Institute of Legal Studies Library hold institutional membership with the Central Library of North Bengal University and Library of the Department of Law, North Bengal University, enabling our students to access their collections and databases. Tertiary facilities are available within the library. The institute has computers and internet facility and these are used for official and study purposes as I mentioned earlier. But the institute is aware about the fact that computers are fast becoming an integral part of modern life and are increasingly used in every sphere of work. The institute has well-equipped computer lab with separate server and networking for the students within the premises of the library. A well-equipped AC computer lab facility having state-of-the-art facilities including Wi-Fi zone, computers, internet connections, e-journals for students has been made available. Also, a 1.5 acre of land has been earmarked for outdoor games such as cricket, football, sports, etc., which is just opposite to the college campus. Indoor games as table tennis, carom, chess, etc. The institute has common rooms for girls and boys separately, which may be used by the students for recreation, discussion, and socializing with other fellow students. The institute is the nucleus of all activities of students and is managed by the administration. The cultural activities introduce the students to a wider world of experience and a large sphere of activities by organizing discussion, debates, and lectures. This college offers Bachelor of Law or LLB, Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA plus LLB, Bachelor of Commerce or BCom plus LLB, BCom, Master of Arts or MA, and Masters of Law or LLM. All the bachelor's courses duration are 3 to 5 years while the master's courses have a duration of 2 years only. Indian Institute of Legal Studies Darjeeling provides training and placement programs. They maintain their own placement cell and job placement to its student efficiency. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Thank you friends for being with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.